Tech Wars, Customer Support Monetization with AI. Here are some products and services that can be provided by startups to monetize the customer support sector. AI-powered chatbot solutions that provide automated and personalized customer support 24/7, handling frequently asked questions and routing inquiries to appropriate resources when needed. Sentiment analysis tools utilizing AI algorithms to analyze customer feedback and sentiment across various channels, enabling businesses to understand customer satisfaction levels and address issues promptly. Voice recognition and natural language processing systems that enable voice-based customer support, allowing customers to interact with AI assistants using voice commands. AI-driven customer service analytics platforms that analyze customer data and interactions to identify patterns, trends, and opportunities for improving customer support processes and strategies. AI-based virtual customer assistants that can simulate human-like conversations, understand customer inquiries, and provide real-time assistance, reducing the need for human intervention. AI-powered recommendation systems that analyze customer preferences and behavior to offer personalized product or service recommendations, enhancing the customer support experience. AI-powered sentiment-based routing systems that automatically direct customer inquiries to the most suitable support agent or team based on the sentiment expressed. AI-enabled predictive customer support solutions that anticipate potential issues or service disruptions, enabling businesses to proactively address them and minimize customer impact. AI-driven self-service platforms that empower customers to find solutions to their problems independently by providing intelligent and context-aware knowledge bases and FAQs. AI-powered customer journey analytics tools that map and analyze the end-to-end customer journey, helping businesses optimize touchpoints and enhance overall customer support experiences. Please click the subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. You can take the full AI course